How to cash a check on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cash a check on Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're talking about depositing a check on Cash App. It is very simple. Before we get started with this process, I want you to understand a couple of things. That this option may not be available for all the users. It depends upon how much amount you have, whether or not your Cash App account is verified, and there are many other factors relating to this. Now if in case, just in case, if the deposit option is available in yours, I want you to simply go over and just simply open the Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface as you can find it, where you have to just tap the home icon from the bottom left of the screen here. Once you tap the home option, if you basically scroll down here under more ways to add money, if your account supports cash deposit or check deposit, you'll be able to find the option called deposit check. Then you should be able to take a photo of the front side and back side of the check. Now I get it, most of you like me also do not have this option available. If you do, that's very fortunate for you. You don't have to do other extra steps. If not, then we just want to contact the customer care of Cash App and then let them know about our issue and then see what the issue really is. And you can talk to a customer support right away on Cash App by just tapping the profile icon from the top right of the screen, then scrolling down and selecting this option called support as you can find it. Once you tap this option called support, you're going to be taken to this page where you just need to select this option called chat over here, and then a Cash App support team is going to get back to you, and then they're going to let you know what are the further steps you can do to cash a check or deposit a check on Cash App. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.